Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new Saxdor 200 powered by a Mercury Pro XS 115 4-stroke motor. Boat's equipped with dual trim tabs, seating for 4 with an opposable seat that goes forward and backwards. Boat is equipped with a unique dual stepped hull. Lots of performance, speed, versatility out on the water, and on the front is this huge lounge deck. And you'll notice something on the design of the boat, that unique bow. Boat cuts through the waves, amazing. Great little fun sport boat for 4 people here at MarineMax Pompano. Give me a call, 954-633-2070. This is a Saxdor 200 available at MarineMax Pompano Beach.